But how do we do that part? Because we need to be able to distinguish between, as I was with Moses, not his system.
Yeah.
Because we're currently repeating father's system
Yeah.
and not giving the younger generation the ability for them to explore.
Yeah.
Like you've said, I have a knife, I don't have a rod.
Yeah.
How do we balance that very particular point?
Let me start from this. Point number one. As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. But God does not actually expose us to this reality, which we read about. As much as God was with Moses, he will be with Joshua. Joshua was also with Moses while God was with Moses. So sons should not move away from fathers.
100%.
They should constantly be in that vicinity and in that area. Number two, when Elisha received a double portion of the mantle, the last miracle that Elijah did was to part the waters. The first miracle that Elisha did was to part the waters.
Yeah.
In actual sense, what we then realize is that fathers should also embrace the fact that I will start where you ended.